In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product price on Stan Store. Let's walk through this together step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what each option means. First, start by logging into your Stan Store account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel there. In that panel, find the option labeled My Store and click on it. This is where you manage everything related to your storefront. After clicking My Store, you'll see your store header at the top of the page, and right below that, you'll see a list of all your products. Next, choose the specific product whose price you want to change. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the right one, especially if you have similar product names. Click on that product to open its editor page. At the top of this page, you'll notice 3 tabs. One of these tabs is called Checkout Page. Go ahead and select the Checkout Page tab. This is where you control what customers see and pay for when they're checking out. Once you're inside the checkout page settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Price. This is the area where you can adjust how much your product costs. In the main price text field, type in the new price you want to charge. Make sure you enter it correctly, including any decimals if needed. If you want to show a discount, you have an additional option. Keep your original price in the main price field. Then turn on the discount price toggle. When you enable this, a new field will appear for the discounted price. Enter the lower discounted amount there. This way, customers will see both the original price and the discounted price, which can help highlight the savings they're getting. After you've made your changes, always take a quick moment to review everything. Check that the price is correct and that the right product is selected. When you're happy with the new settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Publish button. This step is important because your changes won't go live until you publish them. And that's it. You've successfully updated the product price on your Stan Store, and your customers will now see the new pricing on the checkout page.